not.
Exit dive.
I don't know. If I had to say...
Douchebag. Douchebag. Aha, the road narrows up at the overpass. Oh dear.
My graduate students that were in the lab were talking about these periodical cicadas that were coming out, and they were going to drive over and see them in Princeton. And I had no idea what they were talking about, because there's a couple that come up in southern Ontario, but not where I lived in Canada.
What are you doing in the bus lane? You're not supposed to be there.
No question to me is, yeah, there's a difference between privacy and secrets, and
exit dive or exit regret.
Stay private.
I don't know what you would consider that.
We take seriously anyways.
I do find myself laughing, though. I mean, first of all, the hypocrisy.
Really?
Our God is the most powerful.
Already bringing it to her, I was like, I don't know what she's gonna say. You know, it's not my parents telling me what to do. It's her parents.
Oh, exit dive.
I don't know what to do. So,
2.5. This is common sense for your dollars and cents.
I don't think that left turn works for that. Here are we over now. Oh, that was a near accident. FedEx truck.
Surrounded by it. And so much of it is rooted in these superstitions, these weird,
no turn on red,
magical ideas.
Really? Pedumstrian, pedumstrian on a busy road like this. Why the hell?
He's giving her a ride back to the office after his 86th birthday party at the famous restaurant 21.
Exit regret.
Out the window.
Mr. Sanders.
Nice cutoff.
And then I look over and I see a wooden cross. And they're in the parking lot of this church as I drive by. And they are obviously doing a version of the Passion.
I could have went, but I wasn't going to. Okay, thank you for texting. Red light run. Red light run. Bus driver ran red light. Messel left. You realize this is a one-way, right?
You're not your red hair as a child. You're not the deepest.
Ran through the stop sign.
All of our listeners know that. But I don't want you to feel like you're by yourself.
Red light run.
Because I know people who are...
Not us giving up.
Can't you get all the way in the turn lane? There you go. What the hell are you doing?
New text message from +18. Grow a big penile erection in 120 seconds. And for final bedroom life for zero charges with the number 1 Emmy Remedy Box 5TBZNewebin.com.
That was unexpected. Hi, town of Greenberg. We didn't stop.
Specific order in very specific movements. And he told me
Red light, run. Don't turn on red. Don't turn on red.
The chocolate Jewish bear. Known to roam the valleys of Israel, the chocolate Jew bear
Stop.
He immediately noted, is he okay? How come he's not here? Let's go see him. Let's go talk to him.
We
And
ran through the stop sign.
they've changed it over time. Because actually, when I first went through, it was unusual.
Asshole left.
Kind of scary.
Well, that's how the abortion didn't happen. I wasn't going to compromise who I was.
Hi.
And my beliefs in that stand.
I have expertise in this, and I definitely don't. And just insects in general are such a fascinating part of the tree of life. And I have a new colleague at the American Museum of Natural History. I mean, they're just...
My dog's body, what you might call my...
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. There's a lot of them in this episode, it seems like. He moved over. Another truck in the left lane. You cannot be there. No, no, no. This episode's filled with them. Yikes. Yeah, of course, he was in the left lane. Hello?
Chocolate investor. So you need a good investment advisor in your corner. You want some help with that? Click SmartVestor Pro at Dave Ramsey.
Could have went.
NMLS ID 159155225. Our famous $10
Could have went.
back. Now you can learn how to make faster and better progress.
You can go now.
Your life. When you check out the
You can
famous
go now. You can go now. You can go now. You can go now. Now you better fucking go now.
And I help you with your whole job search process, your career mentality.
Get your head out of your ass.
$7.89. Aaron is with us in Dallas, Texas. Hi, Aaron. How are you?
And you ran the red.
I'm doing well, again. In-law. So those are my thoughts and questions.
You could have went.
In-law. Where's she getting this money from?
No, you just ran a...
Long story short, other times the way you're...
Thumbs up, thumbs down. Sometimes shows get lots of thumbs down, and it hurts my self-esteem and my feelings. But Zach, hey, listen. Baseball season has started.
Doing Subaru
and
driver.
You're a huge break.
I've got a problem. I need you to solve it with thumbs up, thumbs down. To the listeners of the show, I am a diehard to the death since I was born. He's an Astro.
I was born in Houston, raised in Houston.
Are you sure?
Used to go, my buddies and I used to go to the Astros games when they were $4 in the Astrodome. It was $4 general admission in the outfield.
Straight from the left turn lane up there.
Plated door in the wall. It illuminated a bold sign which said in English and German, mortal danger.
Move over from the left turn lane.
When
The average listener has no idea. And there is no more awkward person in this building than me. Getting
Straight
into
from
a
left
show,
turn
getting
lane.
out of it, it's like that. Well, it's...
took pains to explain briefly after each topic had been exhausted. Bond was impressed by the confidence with which Drax handled each abstruse problem as
should be imposing.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. No trucks in the left lane is allowed in the left lane. Oh, wait a minute. We got a twofer. You're not allowed in the left lane either. No, 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 you cannot be there. I don't know why the hell the two of you were in the left lane, because there's not really that much traffic. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please hit like and comment and subscribe and do all that, because I love all of you, I guess. All right, have a great day, everybody. Goodbye.